As you can see on this channel, I have visited a lot of different Onewheel events, and a lot of them were racing events, but to be honest, I prefer the ones that are different, the ones that include more riding, generally just more time standing on your board and moving, not standing still. So I decided to run my own event in my own area. It's now called Istra Float Weekends. It's targeted to be a gathering of stoked riders and just a fun weekend to ride. And by that I really mean ride. We'll cover long distances and lots of trails and see pretty awesome places. And this video is about the first edition, that was kind of a test edition. There was about 4 to 6 riders depending on the day, and we had a very great time. So later in this video you will hear some of their comments and what they think about this event, because I don't want to talk about my event too much, I want the others to do so. But anyway, just the key points. We would sleep in the same city, so that's easy to organize, and we would make loops around town and return to the city every night. There's evening activities and night rides as well on requests, but the thing that is mainly planned are long rides through the whole day. Anyway, the second edition actually already happened, and it was an amazing second edition. I really couldn't imagine it to be better, but because all the editing on this channel is a little bit late, this video is about the first edition and the second one is going to be added later. So enjoy some footage from Istra Float Weekend. I really focused on organizing it and not filming much, but still, if I cover all the events, I should at least cover and mention my event, so you get an idea how it is. And hopefully I'll see you here on one of the next editions. Big shout out to Nelson for all the drone footage in this video, and big thanks to everybody that showed up and made this event make sense, so we can all enjoy it. The footage will cover just a fraction of the spots we'll visit on this event, but it's about getting an idea of what is it, long rides, short charging times, and lots of fun.
First of all, my friend, a tour. We are in Slovenia.
Yeah.
From one of the guys who I think was most of the events in all Europe in the last 2 years, like you.
Yeah, but even in the United States.
Yeah, but just talking like here, and I think he's the guy who represents most of us. And this year he created a small event here close to his door.
Yes.
You was yesterday here, I was not here.
No.
What you can tell about the tour? What he's doing till now?
We're doing a nice tour from Koper in Slovenia to Croatia and Italy in the coast. So yeah, we had some nice trails with gravel, rocks, and
Rain.
good views. Today a little bit of rain.
It was too much dust.
Yeah, too much dust.
It's because of the temperature is too high, and that way now it's perfect for us to ride. Not too hot. Not too. Yesterday was very hot, huh?
Yesterday was way harder, yeah.
And you think for the future is a tour that we going to see more and more people coming?
Yeah, I think so.
So guys,
If you like doing a tour, you should come, yeah.
it's not just a tour, it's the adventure, it's meeting
Yeah,
persons,
course.
new places,
Yeah.
new adventures. So this was one of the guys who represents more the events. He comes from Netherlands, of course,
Yes.
but he's everywhere and is always with the community, riding, racing, and having fun.
Of course, yeah. That's what we
When
do.
he's with the board, when the police don't catch his board.
Yeah.
Thank you, my friend.
So we are in sunny Koper, Slovenia, on the nice coast. It's warm, it's summer, and we did some 200 kilometers in the past days. What do you think about the rides? You're here actually the second time.
Yeah. This time the rides are better because it's much faster and we get to see way more of the Slovenia and enjoy the sea, because the sea is super clear and super nice. It's basically the best sea I ever been in, and so you guys need to come next year and enjoy it as well.
So guys, I mean this side, I'm going to put this way. The second year you are doing this, not the first year.
Well, actually, it's the first year I do it, like officially. I invite people. I ride here a lot of time, and some people sometimes ask me and visit me. First time I did something like this was with a random guy from Czech Republic that just showed up online, and I took him on a similar trip. Next time there was actually the idea from the Czech crew to do the tour, way longer even than we did this time. And this is the first event I kind of put together, but there's gonna be more. And if there's like a group of people that wants to ride here, you're welcome to just let me know and we'll make it happen.
So we're going to have another person sitting here. So, first of all, very important, you was the first time here.
First time here.
And how can you describe it?
Great weather, cool trails, technical, and great views. So yeah, it's a nice ride to join.
You think that is a good idea for everybody to join maybe next year to come?
Yeah.
This adventure?
There is a lot of charging spots, so we will be fine.
On the coast, it's well populated and it's not hard to find charging. If we go somewhere more remote, then it's harder, but on the coast we're good with 20-30 people. But this ride is never going to be massive. We want to keep it to a certain number of people so it's enjoyable for everyone.
For you, my friend, riding a board for another person was not your board?
No, yeah, it's always different riding another board, another tune on the VESC. But every Onewheel is a Onewheel. So yeah, if you're really a rider, you can ride any board.
That is not the Onewheel, that is a VESC, huh? So, and of course, he's a big fan of
Flight fins?
flat fins.
Yeah.
And riding without nothing in these trails is not easy.
No, it's more technical. Yeah. But
Different kind of challenge.
different challenge. So I did it last year too in Portugal. The whole last year, everything I did without flight fins. Now I do a year with flight fins, but now they got my board again.
So guys, I hope that you love it. I'm in the back here, but I'm Nelson. It was my first time. I support him very much. I think he supports all of us. Tours, events, he was always there, not just like Vincent told before, not just in Europe, in USA, and show that we are here. My friend, thank you again, huh?
Yeah, thank you. You're welcome and come ride with us anytime.
Okay, see you next year, huh?